Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier video of Bitcoin Cash, I was showing you that it has recently formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and while moving inside this channel, Bitcoin Cash has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line is moved at the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. By the way, we have also broken out the resistance of this down channel as well. You can see that the price line is moved above the resistance, and now we need to break out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is already happened on this 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members, and this move produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair. And in fact, this was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone, a sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal. First, it again dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 11% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 25th of March 2024, it is moving inside this quite long down channel. And now recently we have broken out the resistance of this channel, but still it is not able to break out this resistance that is a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now it is possible that while moving between this previous resistance of the channel that can now work as a support and this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the pricing can finally break out the resistance of this this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And if the pricing breaks out this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, then technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $576. And the technical and final target for the breakout from this bigger down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $700. By the way, from $700 to $800, we have a quite long-term resistance zone. You can see that previously. Now we are switched to the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously this $700 to $800 has been working as a resistance on here, and resistance on here. And this was the last rejection by this resistance zone that was happening here in the month of April 2024. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside that was begun here after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. You can see that from this to here, the price line has rallied more than 650%, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $1,600 to $1,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.